Apparently, you can't buy healthy food at Costco. That's what most people told me. But today, I'm gonna show you that you can actually make some pretty good bargain on basic healthy food that you use every single week in your kitchen. So today, I'm gonna show you all the healthy food I saw in the store. Plus wait, I'm gonna review each of these products and tell you how much I saved. And at the end of this video, I'm also gonna tell you all the healthy food I wish I found in the shop but are not yet available. Let's start. I also check for you the seafood. They've got a large range of seafood, crabs, mussel, fish, and more. So in the shop, you can also find lots of meat like chicken, beef, pork, any kind of meat. Most of the meat are coming from New Zealand and the price savings are actually quite good. I didn't buy any meat today because I didn't need any. Costco also have an amazing range of cheese. If you love cheese, they have some delicious flavor that I haven't seen anywhere else. Most of the cheese is coming from Australia or America. I didn't spot much New Zealand product except for the butter and the milk. I also find this delicious paleo granola. I also find such a big range of dried beans. Buying dried beans is so much less expensive. My first healthy Costco find are eggs. I use eggs every week for my breakfast, to make cakes and more. And these eggs are organic, free range and from New Zealand, so it's a local product, very good quality. I saved $6.60 on this box of 24 eggs. But actually, I should have saved more because I paid $21 for this box and there was a rebate of $4 in the shop that didn't apply at the checkout. So I didn't complain about that because it was still a good saving. But I could have saved $10 on this box of eggs, so it's pretty good. And they last for 10 days, so it's a good fun. Next, I bought a big bag of baking soda. I use baking soda not only in my kitchen to cook stuff, but also to clean my vegetables, to clean my house, and also in my laundry. On this big bag, I saved $17, and also it lasts 2 years, so it's a pretty good deal. I will definitely buy that again at Costco. My next Costco find are blueberries from New Zealand, but they are insanely expensive in our store right now, and Costco bet all the price. I saved $7 on that box of 500 grams, and they are perfectly fresh and delicious. So it's a very good deal. And my next Costco find are strawberries. They are from New Zealand, they are local, but I saved $8.80 on that big box. So it's a huge saving. The quality is amazing. They are gigantic strawberries, big like my hands, and the taste amazing. So it's a big saving. I'm gonna buy that again. Some more fruit and vegetable with these avocados. They are also from New Zealand. Usually avocado are not that expensive in New Zealand supermarkets, but I still saved $2 buying a bag of 5 avocado today, so it's a good saving. Next, I bought some eggplants. I wish they didn't put so much plastic around them, but anyway, they are from New Zealand. It's a twin pack. They are very firm, good quality, and I saved $3 on that pack, so it's a good deal as well. Next, I also bought 2 cucumbers from New Zealand again, full of plastic unfortunately, but I didn't save money on those ones. I actually spent 70 cents more for the twin pack. So I'm probably not gonna buy cucumber at Costco next time. Next, I found this healthy nut mix. I absolutely love this mix for 2 reasons. The main reason why I like this mix, they are dry roasted Australian nuts. It means they don't use any vegetable oil. Most of the nuts you're gonna buy in New Zealand supermarkets are roasted with oil or unroasted. When they are unroasted, they're not really flavorsome, so I like the dry roasted one better, because they don't have any vegetable oils that are actually oil that are inflammatory for your gut and not good for your heart. So this is a very, very good quality product. Price-wise, it cost me $3 more for this bag, but it's such a good quality. I'm definitely gonna buy it again. And it's from Australia, so it's not that far away from us, so it's a good product. Some more vegetable with this big bag of baby spinach grown in New Zealand as well. I saved $7 on that bag, which is a very good saving. I use spinach in so many recipes to make my kids sandwich for lunchbox, to make salads, to make lasagna, to make anything. So this is a good saving, and I'm gonna use that quite quickly as well. This is one of my favorite Costco finds, coconut cream that is organic. It's a very thick and creamy coconut cream that I love to use to make Indian curry, or also in my smoothies or my homemade ice creams. I saved $9 on this pack of 6, and it lasts 2 years. So it's absolutely amazing. I'm gonna buy that again. Next, I bought ground cumin. I use that a lot in my taco seasoning mix that I make myself, but also for some dessert and many recipes actually. If you watch my last Costco video, I told you how much you are saving on spices. This box, I saved $11, and it lasts a year and a half. So I'm gonna definitely use all that box, and it's such a good saving. And my next Costco find is maple syrup. It's a healthy unrefined sugar, so if you like to sweeten your food with some healthy sweetener, it's a very good choice. I personally don't use it because I don't eat sugar, but my husband is vegan and my kids love healthy food, and they use that a lot to bake some cakes, cookies, and more. Anyway, this bottle of 1 liter saved me $22. That's absolutely amazing, and probably one of the biggest savings I made today at Costco. My next Costco find are these organic roasted seaweeds. My kids love roasted seaweed. It's such a healthy snack with 20 calories per bag. It's natural, it's full of iodine as well, so Anyway, it's just very good for your health. But the price at Costco was amazing. This product is organic, as you can see, and it's $44 cheaper than the equivalent amount bought in my local New Zealand supermarket. So it's a huge saving. And my last Costco find are these fresh Medjool Dates. They are very healthy and amazing to make some bliss balls for the kids' lunchbox or even for a sweet healthy snacks for the kids. I actually don't eat much dates because I don't do very well with sugar, but my husband is vegan, he loved them, and the saving on that box was amazing. They are the exact same brand as the one I buy in the supermarket, but I saved $19 on that box. So it's just huge. So on this Costco haul, I saved $302 if you include 2 baking sheets that I bought from Nordicware, which is extremely high US quality and I love them. But if you exclude that, on food only, I saved $158 on healthy food at Costco this time, which is just amazing. Unfortunately, I didn't find all the healthy food I wanted to find at Costco. For example, they don't have any chocolate bars. Even some healthy bars like 70% chocolate or some vegan chocolate, they don't have those chocolate bars. They just have some candy bars like Mars, Twix and stuff like that I don't buy. Next, I wish I could have found some sugar-free sweetener because I'm a big fan of this natural option made from erythritol and stevia because it helped me control my blood sugar level. They don't have any sugar-free sweetener right now. Maybe it's gonna come next, but I didn't find any. Next, I didn't find any sugar-free chocolate chips. I know that in USA they've got some amazing brands and I was really expecting to find some, but unfortunately they didn't have any. And they don't have sugar-free maple syrup as well, which I wish I could find because I saw so many people in US buying some from Costco supermarket. And finally, I absolutely love freeze-dried fruits like freeze-dried raspberries or freeze-dried strawberries. I did find some, but they contain 5% of cane sugar, so they are good if you can eat some sugar. I personally don't do well with sugar, so I didn't buy them. So I wish I will find some more of this sugar-free healthy option next time at Costco. So if you guys enjoy this healthy Costco haul made from New Zealand and you want to watch more, click here if you want to watch my previous video where I made a Costco haul about all the keto and low-carb food you can find as well. And of course, if you like this video, comment below, ask me for some more review or anything you like, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Bye!